Hi, it's Jason in Jason's Jungle. I've got a shed load of stuff to plant out today. Starting off with this bed. This is where I'm going to be putting my sweet corn. But as you can see, it's got red orac in and a few weeds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out, take them home, cook like spinach, take the weeds out, add in some chicken manure pellets, bloodfish and bone, and some, what else I've got, superphosphate in there, mix that in, and then plant out my sweet corn. As you can see, my sweet corn is screaming to get out. It's used up all the goodness in the pot, and it just needs to get back into the soil. And there's quite a bit of root on them as well. So look under here, see it coming out. So basically, sweet corn likes to be in a block, yeah, rather than rows. So basically this whole bed, most of this bed is going to be the block of sweet corn. They're going to be 4 across, about a foot apart, and basically that allows the male pollen to drop onto the female tassels. Yeah, from the tassels onto the silks. When I put them in, I will add some mycorrhiza. Now, I'm not sure if it works with sweet corn, but if it doesn't, it still just inoculates the bed. So I've made a few holes already. Just taking this, pushing it down, and wiggling it around. So I'll just get some of these in. I'll stick a scoop of this into each of these holes. Put one of these out, and if I see there, you can see it's still not too bad. Just it needs to go. It's used up all the goodness, so I'll just take that and pop it into the hole and push it in. So I'll show that again where you can see it without the sweet corn in the way. Just pop it into the hole, push it down, firm it in. And then I'll get on with this bed, and you'll see what it's like later. Okay, so that's now 32 plus 2 extras, 34, and a tiny little rund that done nothing. I'll say 34. So that'll be a big enough block, and they should get a good pollination. I'm hoping we'll get two cobs per plant, so that should give us 60 odd corn cobs. And what I'll do is when I get my water turned on, I'll give these a good soak. This bed I'm going to be putting salads in. I've already prepared it similar to how I've done the sweet corn. Started putting some holes in, and now all I'll do is I'll pop them out and pop them into the prepared holes as I did with the sweet corn. So I don't need to show you all that again. You've seen that before. So I'll get on with that and show you the bed afterwards. So the sweet corn has been watered. On the next bed, I've put in my oca. So there's parsnips right at the back, so that bed will be ready around Christmas time. And the next bed, I've put in some lettuce, some rocket, some chervil, some coriander. Behind that there's the red orache, and behind that is what's left of the peas after everything's been eaten it, which is about 3 plants, I think. In addition to them, what you probably can't see here, because it's red, is I put some red leaf basil into the tomato bed. and hopefully that'll grow in between tomatoes and give us a second crop. Well, that was today on the plot. Hope you liked it. Click like if you did. If you're not subscribed, click on the subscribe button and leave a comment down below, and I will see you on my next video. Ta-ra.